Okay, now let's start the fun part. Okay, the very first query we are going to look into is file type. Now we want to search only PDF files on Google, and this is how our query will look like. Now the scenario is because we are trying to build a backlink, we're thinking about, okay, there must be somebody who have written about the directory submissions. Let's see if we can pull any PDF file for this. Okay, so I will write inverted commas directory submissions websites, okay, and then space, and then file type, all single one word, colon, PDF. Okay, now this query will find out all the PDF documents that contains directory submissions websites. Let's see. Excellent. Now you can see PDF, PDF, PDF. Now Google is finding all the PDF documents that are related to directory submissions. Okay, A to Z directory submissions. 50 free press releases submission, interesting. 25 free press release submission, 1 of 48 directory submission, secrets.com, SEO techniques for the business websites, database system, journal, etc., etc. Okay, so you can see if I click on any of it, it will open a PDF document. Is this not amazing? Okay, now this is the very first query, that is file type. It will help you to find out only particular document. It can be DOC as well. We are looking for Microsoft documents only. Okay, very powerful command, very powerful command.